What up, guys? This is Pastor Canavi again. We're coming up with another tutorial in Python. We're going to talk about comments. How do you insert comments in your block of codes when you're working in your program? Um, let's talk about it. Let's see this example right here. Let's have this variable name savings uh, equals to $40. I got $40 in my savings. Then I spend um, $8 from my $40 minus a. What I did, I bought some bitcoins. No, not Bitcoin. No, that's Bitcoin doesn't cost $8. Dogecoin. Okay, let's subtract that. Then I sold my Dogecoin, Dogecoin for $40. Can you believe that? I spent $8 of uh, on Dogecoin, then I made it selling it a profit of $40, something like that. But now, so if I print this savings, but let's fix this really quick. There's an easy way to do this. Let's do minus. So how do we insert comments right here? Because you want to go back later and see, like, what happened? What is that $8 minus $8, and what is the plus $40? How did that get added, and how can that got subtracted? So you can use the pound sign or the hashtag sign. Okay, you can just type right here. This was you can do but Dogecoin, and then this would be uh, sold a couple days later Dogecoin, right? So, and let's run the program. Oh wow, I made a profit of $32 because I had 40 in my savings and now I have 72, which is a good deal. Not too bad for a couple of days. You make $32. That's awesome. But anyway, so this is how you insert comments on Python in Python. All right. So hopefully you guys like the video, like and subscribe to the channel, so we have to keep growing more of the fan base. All right. Cool. Have a good night. Bye bye.